Okay. If you're having trouble with early childhood education accessing your videos, let me see if I can help. There's a discussion tab on the left. I know I had a couple of emails about this. Let me see if I can help you with this. This is the discussion, Chapter 1 group discussion. We open this up. This is a group discussion, so your posts will be under that group, but these are the access. You go down to our video lessons and discussion board. Here's the document for that information. When you open the document, this is a demo that should open up immediately and begin playing. You press play and you are good.
Hi, my name is Sibylla Beckman. Our Base 10 place value system is a remarkably clever and efficient system which took a long time to develop historically. A really key idea is repeated bundling in groups of 10, and I want to explain that. So here are a bunch of toothpicks. How many are there? I could count them one by one, but I'm going to organize them in groups of 10. So every time I have 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I can bundle them up like this and put a rubber band around, and that makes one group of 10. So this is 110, and I can keep going. Okay, you get the idea. I can keep bundling in groups of 10 like that. Okay, so now I have a whole bunch of bundles of 10 and 4 more individual toothpicks. But I could keep going with bundling because I could bundle up 10 of these 10s. And every time I have 10 10s, I can make a bundle of 100. So now I have 2 bundles of 10 10s, that's 200, and 6 bundles of 10, that's 60, and 4 more ones, 4 more individuals, altogether 264. 264 toothpicks. And notice that the way we write 264, that corresponds exactly to the way these toothpicks are organized. The 2 stands for 2 bundles of 100. The 6 stands for 6 bundles of 10. And the 4 is 4 ones. And notice, if I pull this number apart into its place value parts, I can really see how the 2 hundreds correspond to that part, the 6 10s correspond to this, 60, and the 4 ones correspond to the 4. So this is showing the number decomposed into its place value parts and how these parts fit exactly with this bundling idea. There's something really important I want to talk about with these bundles of 100. They have more structure to them than just being 100 loose toothpicks in a bundle. They're actually made of bundles of 10. So remember, each bundle of 100 was made from 10 bundles of 10. And that's a really important idea. 100 is not just 100 loose individual ones, but it's 10 10s. And it's really important for students to understand that because when they do arithmetic that involves any kind of regrouping, they're going to need to be able to understand 100 as 10 bundles of 10. Similarly, if we have 10 bundles of 100, we can bundle them up into a big bundle, kind of too big for a rubber band, so I'm going to put them in a bag instead. So this big bundle is 10 hundreds, And notice it's got more structure than just a loose bag of 1,000 toothpicks. If we have 10 bundles of 100, we can bundle them up into one bundle of 1,000, which I have here. One way we could think about 1,000 is the number we get to by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., up to 997, 998, 999, 1,000. But it's also really important to be able to think of 1,000 as 10 bundles of 100, because, again, we need that way of thinking about 1,000 when we regroup, when we add and subtract. So it's really important to see this 1,000 as 10 bundles of 100. In the base 10 system, we can keep bundling in groups of 10. This makes new units, which are values of places. So we start with 1. 10 ones makes a new unit, a unit of 10. 10 tens makes a new unit, which is a unit of 100. 10 hundreds makes a new unit, which is a unit of 1,000. 10 thousands makes a new unit, which is a unit of 10,000. It gets hard to show with toothpicks. But that is the key idea of the base 10 system. We can keep bundling in groups of 10. We make ever larger units. And this is a key idea of place value and the base 10 system.